I'm going to be replacing the starter recoil on a Echo handheld gas-powered blower. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com. And on this channel, we do concrete repair, asphalt paving, general contracting, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm going to be replacing the starter recoil on this Echo. I have the model number PB250LN gas-powered blower. Now, I'm going to be doing that repair on this handheld blower, but it's the similar repair on whatever model Echo blower that you may have at home. So I'll just show you the reason why I have to do this is, first of all, the cord broke. I don't have much cord here because this thing is actually broke inside. Even pulling it, it sometimes skips. So it's time to change that with an Echo starter recoil part. Now, on Amazon, if you notice, there are many different brands that you can purchase, and that's up to you. But through my research and reading the comments, even on those pages, I have found that the China parts, based on the reviews on Amazon, simply do not work 100% of the time. There's a lot of bad reviews. You can also do your own research, but I've already done that. So I've decided to pay a little more, approximately 3 times the price as a China or a knockoff version of the starter recoil for a genuine Echo part. I don't want any problems, especially on the job site. I want this to work every time. So I'm using an Echo part. So first thing I need to do is there's 4 screws. Just need to take this off to get access. Now, once you remove the 4 screws, the first thing that's going to come off, especially on my handheld blower, is just a, it's really just a bracket to support the gas tank and make sure it doesn't move in place, and support the starter coil. And then just remove the coil, and there's the old one. Discard that, and I'm going to open up the new part. Got inside here, and don't forget, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you guys to get one of these. Okay, so a nice long cord and lots of spring action. So the same way we removed it, I'm going to put that back, and you can test it that it's going to connect. You can see it's grabbing. So what you want to do is just going to get the first top screws in just to support it. Not going to tighten it all the way before I put the bracket back on. I just want to get the screws in place before I tighten it down. A couple turns. Same thing for the other top screw. Now the bottom screws are going to put the bracket back in place if your blower has one. I'm just the same thing. I'm not going to tighten the screw all the way. I just want to get the screw in place, just to hold it in place. Okay. And now, since this is the 4 screw, all the screws are in place. I'm going to go ahead and start tightening them down. I like to gradually tighten each one, and I'll go over it again. Okay. And then once you've done that, go ahead and hand tighten all 4 screws. Don't over tighten it, just a nice firm turn will be sufficient. And 2 more. And last one. And we're done. The next thing to do is just to test it out, make sure it works. So I'm going to start this up and give it a try. Don't forget to check out my other video where I actually replaced the gas lines and the spark plug, giving these handheld blowers a tune-up. Check that video as well. Started with the first pull. And that's it. That's it. That's how you change a starter recoil on an Echo gas-powered handheld blower. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you on the next time, on the next video. Jeff Lepard, doitallsealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.